Hello guys, so what's important on August 31? If you see the photograph here itself, Princess Diana, okay, she died in a road accident, a car crash, which was a very sad news, tragic news that time in I think 1995. So it happened on August 31. Okay, so that is one historical or important news item, and there are many more things we'll see today in today's episode. So please watch the editorial. Okay, editorial video of yesterday was uploaded today on September 1. So the super blue moon concept, what is a super moon, what is a blue moon, and what is a super blue moon, that I've explained with pictures in the editorial today. So please watch that episode so that you can learn. Okay, and related to Princess Diana, in childhood and all in English grammar classes we learn a concept, anagram. So I thought I'll teach you that also. Anagram is nothing but a word is there. That word, same, that letters you take and jumble and you make another word. Okay, perfectly another word or another sentence. For example, Princess Diana, if you take and you use those letters and try to make a sentence, it will come like a car spin is end. Okay, so that time it came in and this tragedy happened and all. Okay, the letters of Princess Diana, you use 13 letters, I think, or more than, yeah, 13 letters that you rearrange and do, it will come like a car spin is end. So a meaningful sentence related to that. It need not be meaningful, but still there are many such examples. Like astronomer, you take and take these letters and rearrange, it will become moon starer. Okay, and if you take the eyes and you take that Y and put it in the other side, it will become they see. So this kind of concept with one word, the same letters you take and jumble, rearrange and make something is called a concept of anagram. Okay, so this is not UPSC related and all, but because anagram, like one by one small grammar concept and English concept, and I thought here and there I'll tell you. Okay, because there are some interesting things. Okay, like palindrome is there. Palindrome means a word is there, you read from left to right or right to left, it will be the same word. Okay, like Malayalam you write in English, it will be left towards or right towards, it will look the same. Okay, like that many words are there. So palindromes, if you know, in the comment section tell me some palindrome examples. So this way and all, slowly those who tell I'm weak in English, I don't know some concepts of grammar and all, this will help you, because there are some exams where English is also tested. Okay, in UPSC also you have an English paper where they ask meanings and opposites and some English terms and phrases and all. So these kind of slowly if you incorporate in your daily learning, 5 minutes you give, your English will improve. Okay, for those students who tell English also I want to learn. Okay, so now what happened on August 31, 2023? First thing is, it is World Sanskrit Day, which obviously you know India would have initiated. So this one is celebrated annually on the Shravana Purnima, full moon day. Okay, that's why that full moon, super moon concept also go and see how come it is super moon and blue moon and all. Okay, so that means it is not a constant day that Sanskrit Divas will be there. Whenever the full moon happens on this Shravana Purnima, that time we will do. So 2023, it is on August 31. Okay. Sanskrit, you know, it's an ancient Indian language, and it has no end or starting and proper letter format and everything, but it is used to write lot of holy books and Vedas and Rig Veda especially, and it is considered as the language of gods, that is Dev Vani. So like that, it's a everlasting, eternal, long kind of language. Okay, then August 31 is Malaysia's national day. Okay, Malaysia also was under British colonization, and it got independence, which they call Hari Merdeka. Hari Merdeka is their National Independence Day, and that is celebrated annually, obviously. Okay, then August 31, 1956, the President of India gave assent to this state reorganization bill. You know, 1956 is the time when our states, okay, it became like a number of states we made majorly on linguistic. Okay, it's written linguistic, but it's not fully linguistic, majorly on linguistic. That and all in polity, you know, there are different committees. Jawaharlal Nehru committee was there, and different committees came, and they finally came to a conclusion that okay, language also should be used, and that's how you have like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and there's Karnataka, all are language based. Okay, and even we know like Punjab and Haryana, but so that and all is different years. In 1960s and all it happened, but the act was passed actually in 1956, August 31, and that is the same time when the 7th constitutional amendment also was passed. Okay, constitution, you know, we made constitution in 1948, 49, time 50 it came into force, and then 1950 onwards we kept on changing. Like 1951 the first amendment came, very like something we changed, like that we kept on changing, and by 1956 the 7th amendment. Now if you see now 2023, how much is there? It's more than 100 amendments we have done to the constitution. Okay, so that major amendments are also important for UPSC. 7th amendment is there, 42nd amendment is there, 44th amendment is there in 1978. So like that, this amendment, the year and what clauses were changed is very important for you. Okay, Especially now, we have amended and added the GST. We have added a little bit like clauses about OBC and then reservations and many things we are adding here and there. So these are all important for you. Okay, so this is the happening. And then August 31, 1991, Republic of Uzbekistan declared independence from USSR. You know, Soviet Union was a group of 15, 16, meaning it was one country. It broke into 15, 16 countries in 1991 after that Russian breakup which happened. So that day is important for Uzbekistan. Okay. Then 1998, North Korea launched its first satellite. Okay, North Korea, you know, it is like a country which doesn't participate in any forum. It is not worth adding them into any forum also. They are very little violent, little bit, don't follow any rules. Okay, the extreme level of China, you can tell, that is North Korea. So they also do like nuclear bombs, they do satellites, and also satellite first ever launch happened on August 31, 1998. 1995, Princess Diana died in a car crash, which I already told you. Okay, so these are the happenings which happened on August 31, 2023. And in case it's all interesting, you are learning something at least in this 5 minutes episode, tell me in comment section, okay, so that we can continue this. We have done this for 1 full month now. So September's episode also, if you want, you tell me in comment section, we'll do it. And for test series and current affair packs and all, which is needed for any exam which you give in your Indian context, okay, any public service exam, you know, current affairs is a mandatory thing. So WhatsApp me and get the packs. 12 months pack is there, combo packs are there, and you can get a lot of gifts also if you are a full-time Vysh IAS aspirant, which we'll announce on Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so come and WhatsApp me, WhatsApp number is given, and watch that editorial of Supermoon today. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.